Today, we're discussing a topic that affects millions of people worldwide: rheumatoid arthritis. Specifically, we'll be exploring awesome remedies for rheumatoid arthritis. Yes, you heard that right. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, step-by-step plan to tackle this condition once and for all. Let's get started. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! First, let's understand what rheumatoid arthritis, RA, is. RA is an autoimmune disorder that causes inflammation in your joints. This inflammation can lead to pain, swelling, and eventually, joint damage. It's not just limited to the joints, it can also affect other parts of your body. The key to managing RA is to reduce inflammation and stop the disease from progressing. So here are ways to do that. Step 1. Eat an anti-inflammatory diet. One of the most powerful ways to combat RA is through your diet. Studies have shown that certain foods can help reduce inflammation. For instance, the Mediterranean diet is rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats. According to a study published in the Annals of the Rheumatic Diseases in 2015, this diet can significantly reduce RA symptoms. Foods to include: fruits and vegetables. Aim for a variety of colors. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish like salmon and flax seeds. Whole grains. Opt for quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, chia seeds, and walnuts are great choices. Foods to avoid: processed foods. These can increase inflammation. Sugary drinks. Opt for water or herbal teas instead. Red meat. Limit your intake as it can exacerbate symptoms. Step 2. Regular exercise. Stay active with low-impact exercise. Exercise is crucial in managing RA. It helps maintain joint flexibility and strengthens the muscles around your joints. According to the Mayo Clinic, regular physical activity can reduce fatigue and depression, which are common in RA patients. Exercises to try. Swimming, it's easy on the joints and provides a full-body workout. Walking, a simple way to stay active without putting too much stress on your joints. Make sure to consult with your doctor before starting any new exercise regimen, especially if you have severe RA. Step 3. Stress management. Practice mindfulness and relaxation techniques. Stress can worsen RA symptoms, so managing stress is an important part of your treatment plan. Techniques like meditation, deep breathing, and progressive muscle relaxation can help. How to practice deep breathing. Find a quiet, comfortable place to sit. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold your breath for a count of 4. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Repeat this process for 5 to 10 minutes each day. According to a 2018 study in the Journal of Rheumatology, stress management techniques can improve quality of life for RA patients. Step 4. Supplements and medications. Certain supplements have been shown to help with RA symptoms. Omega-3 supplements, turmeric, and vitamin D are all known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish oil supplements, helps reduce joint stiffness and pain. Turmeric contains curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory compound. You can take it as a supplement or add it to your food. Vitamin D helps regulate the immune system. Ensure you get enough sunlight or consider a supplement. Always discuss with your doctor before starting any new supplements. Step 5. Medical treatments. In some cases, lifestyle changes alone might not be enough. Medications like DMARDs, disease-modifying anti-rheumatic drugs, can help slow the progression of RA. Biologics are another option, which target specific parts of the immune system. Consult your rheumatologist. They can tailor a treatment plan specifically for you. Regular checkups are essential to monitor your condition and adjust treatments as needed. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with anyone who might benefit, and leave a comment below with your questions or experiences. And don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and information. Rheumatoid arthritis can be a challenging condition, but with the right approach, you can manage it effectively. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to a healthy diet, stay active, manage your stress, and keep up with your medical treatments. Thanks for watching, and take care.